Hi everyone, it's Miss G. I'm going to show you how to enter the Google Meet. First, that's my baby. Say hi. First, you go to the classroom page, right there. Then you go all the way up to, I call it a waffle, over here. And what you're going to do is you're going to click it. And down comes the box. Then you're going to look for this where it says Meet. Click it. Then it says Join or Start a Meeting. You click it. And then in this box, you're going to write 3KPK. Okay? And you click right here, continue, and your camera will be coming on, and now you're in the meeting.